Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Resonator delete RAM 1500. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, lifting the truck securely, and setting jack stands under sturdy points. Work on a cool exhaust system and inspect hangers for rust. Keep full replacement bolts and clamps organized in labeled bags to speed reassembly and avoid mistakes. Prepare the right tools and parts for a smooth Resonator delete. I recommend metric sockets, a ratchet, penetrating oil, and proper exhaust clamps sized to your pipe. Order a delete pipe that matches your RAM 1500 exhaust diameter and keep new rubber hangers on hand. Clean and lubricate fasteners as you go to avoid breaking bolts and slowing the job. Carefully remove the Resonator section using unbolting or cutting where needed, protecting surrounding panels and sensors. Slide the delete pipe into place, align hangers, and hand-tighten clamps to test fit and fitment. Once aligned, torque clamps evenly and reattach any heat shields. Reconnect the battery, start the truck, and listen for leaks while stationary before lowering the vehicle and taking a short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.